Namaste students, Koshra Vidya, IJB and Dr. Vaichandrakala, Assistant Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the sporophytes in bryophytes. When we say in bryophytes, the sporophyte is a simple unbranched structure with a single spore forming organ that is called the sporangium. In all other land plants, you can see like the sporophytes are branched and the carries many sporangia. Okay, the sporophytes having produces spores which depend upon the gametophyte of the plant body. Okay, so in the bryophytes you have seen the liverwort, hornworm, and the moss. So the development by the cell divisions of the zygotes with in the formation of the female sex organ. Okay, there are different theories involved in the during the evolutions of the zoophytes, like progressive theory, reduction theory. Okay, progressive theories, which is given by first proposed by Bowers in 1908. Okay, this theory states that the evolution has taken place from simple to the complex. According to the progressive theory, the sporangium being bears the spore mother cells here, which was first developed from a simple form, then later it converts into a complex form having different stages. Okay, the first stage is a simple known sporophyte of the bryophyte in Aracia, and the sporophyte consists of only capsule, seafood, and the seta is absent. Okay, the second stage in which the in Markensia like food, seta, and capsules were present, and the sterile cell has been increased. In the third stage, in the sporophytes in Balia, the fourth seta, and the jacket and calyptra, etc., are sterile cells, and the sporophytes of the porula is just like a Balia. Okay. In the fourth stage, the in the anthocerous foot, meristematic tissue, stoma, and the columella and the pseudoelaters are sterile cells, and the capsules look like a horn. The fifth stage is the sphagnums, where the foot, seta, wall, and the columella and the wall of the spora or the sac or the stomata, etc., were sterile cells, and the spore sacs contain the spores. Okay. So here the next sixth stage in funaria, where the fourth theta and the multicellular walls of the columella walls or the spore sacs, uh, apophysis, etc., was sterile, and the spore dispersible mechanism was in advanced form. Okay. So here the next was the reduction theory, which states the evolution that has been taken place from a complex to a simple form. Okay, that means this theory was found like Ratia is advanced form and Funaria is a primitive form, according to a reduction theory. Okay, so according to this retro-regressive theory, which shows that different having a different significant steps of the reduction series were seen, like reduction of the capsule wall or the disappearance of the stomata or the elimination of the seta and the food, the progressive increase in the fertility of the sporogenous cells. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any queries, we'll discuss in the problem solving session.